Today, I tell you about dinosaur data. Dinosaurs lived on Earth for millions of years. Scientists studied dinosaurs' bones to find out how they lived and what they looked like. There were more than 700 kinds of dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs ate plants and others ate meat. Some walked on two legs and others walked on four legs. Some fly and others lived in the sea. We know they were different, but no one knows what color or pattern they were. This is because there is no dinosaur skin to study. Dinosaur disappeared 65 million years ago. Why was this? Some scientists think that a large rock called an asteroid fell to Earth from space. This made the Earth much colder and no any longer food to dinosaurs eat. The most famous is the T-Rex. It was 14 meters long and 5.5 height, bigger than a house. This structure that it moved quickly, but no one knows how fast it could run. Its teeth were 36 centimeters long and it ate meat. You can see T-Rex skeletons in some museums. Bye bye.